my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my dinner that I'm making, so join me in the kitchen. Versatile, quick and easy to make if you are pinched for time but you still want, to maintain your healthy living, or at least make reasonable food choices. Like I said in my resolutions video, I really want to be more mindful about what I eat, try to make healthy choices when I can, and make the best of what I have. So it's my objective to eat more veggies or add more veggies to my meals. I'm not always successful with it, but I try and I want to share it with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. I'm using these sweet potatoes. I'm just going to make some sweet potato fries, and I'm going to cheat with these sweet potato fries because I'm going to make them in the microwave. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I do it. I just need to quickly wash them and cut them up, and then I'll show you guys. Also, I'm gonna be using these regular tomatoes, some baby spinach, some tortilla wraps. You can make your own or you can buy them. I've got some leftover chicken. It's just boiled chicken with carrots and garlic and onions in it. And then I'm still thinking, I don't know if I'm gonna use this sauce. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna do like barbecue chicken wraps, or I don't know, still deciding. Anyways, let's go guys. Let's start with the potato fries. So for these ones, I'm gonna start with them because they take the longest. Just quickly wash my potatoes, chop them up, and put them in the microwave. Oh guys, I didn't show you I got a microwave. Woo! Woo! I bought it at Checkers. It's a platinum microwave, and I just loved how it looked. Like, I loved the look of it. That's the only reason why I chose that one, because I liked the glass finish. I liked, sorry, is it a glass finish? The mirror finish. I liked the handle. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's why I got it. Anyways guys, let's get cooking. So I just finished washing my potatoes, nothing else. Now I'm just gonna cut them up. Basically, I'm using 2 medium-sized potatoes, one for myself, one for Zaidi, and then we're gonna have the wraps on the side, and any leftovers we carry them for work tomorrow. I think this dinner is gonna take me less than 30 minutes to prepare and cook. To prepare, cook, and serve. Alright, so you see, I just cut them into like medium-sized wedges. So it's like, if you feel like eating fries but you want to be healthy at the same time, so I just have these medium-sized wedges, and I just put them on a plate like this, spread them out. Yes, then I'm gonna do the rest of the potatoes and I'll show you guys when they are done. So guys, I just finished cutting up my potatoes. I ended up using just one potato because you see how much I got out of this. This is like a lot, and sweet potatoes are so filling. So the other medium potato, I didn't even use it. So I'm just gonna use the one. I'm going to use this Robertson's Master Blend. Hello, come on. All right, yes, this Robert. Oh guys, look at my chain. La, la, la. I got it from H&M, if you're wondering, guys. Oh, it's nice, eh? I know, it's trending. Anyways, okay, so this is the blend of spices that I'm using. Aromatic roast potato blend. That's the one that I'm gonna use for my sweet potatoes. So I just need to quickly get the plastic off. All right, so just add a bit of it onto my potatoes. Then that's that. The other thing that I love about putting potato wedges into the microwave is basically you don't need any oil. Really, you don't need any oil. So I'm just gonna put them in there and dehydrate them. I'm gonna put them in on high for maybe, like, let me say 7 minutes on high. But you can bake them, you can fry them. I just want to put them in the microwave because it's quick, and I also want to use it because I can do it without any oil. All right, so I put them on high for about 8 minutes, and you want to be careful because it's easy to burn them, so just keep an eye on them. And whilst my sweet potatoes are busy cooking, then I'm gonna be working on my wraps. So for my wraps, I'm just gonna put them in this non-stick pan and quickly warm them up. So basically my pan is just empty, really nothing. I didn't even put like cooking spray on it or anything. Then I just put my wrap in there to warm it up, and then I'll prepare my fillings whilst I'm warming this side. So guys, as far as my fillings go, I've got this lettuce that I've got here, and then the chicken that I was telling you guys about. So I'm gonna use those two and a bit of tomato, and then I'm gonna use that as my filling. So I just need to quickly chop up my lettuce. Since we're on that veggie tip, we're going to use as many or as much as we can. Then also I'm gonna add in a bit of baby spinach. I don't really like eating raw baby spinach, so I'm just gonna do like a bit of like a handful, and that's enough. And if you've noticed before, I like to turn my wraps into like a salad in a wrap. So it's like lots of stuff in it, but mostly just it's a salad really. But when I don't feel like just having a salad and like a very light meal, then I add in tons of stuff, and mostly it's greens in my wrap. So as you can see, I think my wrap is nice and warm. So I'm gonna quickly assemble it on my plate. Okay, so whilst I'm busy warming up the second one, I'm assembling the first one. So now I just take my veggies, lettuce and baby spinach. As you can see, it's a whole lot of them. Some chicken. I think the pieces are a bit too big, so I'm just gonna cut them down a bit. And guys, I think I'm just left with 3 minutes for my potatoes, so it's like, you see how quick this is. And then some of the carrots from the chicken as well, and some of the onion. Then I'm gonna quickly slice up some tomato. All right, so this is like 1 whole tomato per wrap. It's just the slices. Add that on top. I think I'm going to add just a small drizzle of the barbecue sauce, just a little bit of this spare grilled basting barbecue sauce. I'm sure it's high in sugar, so I'm not gonna get too excited with it. Some plain yogurt as well, so that the wrap is not dry. So with the plain yogurt, I just use a butter knife and I put it on the side like this. Alright, this is the old El Paso thick and chunky salsa. You can get it from Checkers, Pick and Pay, everywhere it's there. And with this one also, I just go a bit. What I've noticed with wraps is like you don't want to have them dry. They are not nice when they're dry. So if I can quickly show you guys, here's the wrap before I close it. So in it we've got our bed of greens, we've got our carrots, we've got some of the cooked onion, yogurt on the side, a bit of the barbecue sauce, and the salsa on top. And then now I'm just gonna fold it over. Now I'm gonna quickly assemble the second one, and I'll show you the plate when they are ready. Okay, also guys, when you're done assembling your wraps, don't forget to season as usual. Aromat, Zenzeng. I'm not even using the MSG free one at the moment. I only got this one, so I just add a bit of that on top for my salad. And guys, look at how big this looks, and yet it's just the greens and then a bit of chicken and then everything else, the yogurt on the side. I even realized that with the potatoes it's really going to be a huge meal. But anyways, let's just see how it comes out when they are ready. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're liking it so far, guys, because that really supports my channel. All right, let's check on the potatoes. Oh, it's hot. The plate is hot, guys. There's a Winky D song that's on my mind that I wanted to start singing, but the last time I did that I got an email from YouTube. Okay, as you can see, they are almost ready. I just need to put them in there for the remainder of the time. I just need to put them in there for the remainder of the time, and then we'll quickly assemble our plates and our dinner will be ready. Alright guys, our first dinner is ready. Our wraps and our sweet potato fries. Woohoo! I like my wrap open, so I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then Jerry likes his closed, so I'm just gonna leave his like that. I'm exhausted and hungry guys, so I'm so excited to eat. Really nice. I also like sweet tomato sauce on my fries, because it's like, what's the point of calling them fries if you can't have tomato sauce with them? Don't make no sense to me. Look at how big this plate is. Sure. Yo, girl. This cow can eat some. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. God, this seasoning though, the potato seasoning, marvelous. It's really nice. It's really nice. I need to sit back, enjoy my dinner, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this dinner making series. If you like it, let me know so that I can create more of those for you guys. Also, let me know how you think you can customize this recipe or this dinner to work with what you have. Always remember, let's say for example you're vegan, you don't eat chicken, can make it with beans, I think, as your protein source. You can make it with chickpeas, like roasted chickpeas. Ooh, those would really be nice. And like seasonings on the roasted chickpeas and garlic. Ooh, my lord, that would really be nice. I think I might actually try it for myself. And you can just customize it, tweak it to whatever you like, and you'll have a marvelous dinner. And my inspiration for making this video is I've realized now with going to school every day, it's like when I come home I'm literally scratching my head. What do I eat? What do I make for dinner? Also guys, check out this video if you like to see how I do my meal prep, how I prepare so that I'm ready for the week, and how I set myself up for success. Also check out this video right here if you're interested in joining me for a full body dance workout. Check out my workout playlist, link down below. Also check out my business page, Wholesome Express, if you are, of course, you're interested in supporting me. That's why you're watching my video, right? If you're interested in that, also check it out. Thank you so much guys, I really appreciate your support. I hope to see you in the next video. I love you.